Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about microlearning. Microlearning is an emerging trend in education, online learning, and training. Microlearning deals with small learning units presented in short-term activities. It uses focused strategies with reinforcement and testing to ensure comprehension. Microlearning is more than just taking long-form content and breaking it down into short sentences or small units. The key to these short nuggets of content is being well thought out and the presence of one learning objective. Then these individual items or units are offered to the learner to help master a concept or topic. Of course, the ubiquity of smartphones and tablets have helped propel this type of learning. The fabled shortened attention span of learners has added to microlearning's attractiveness. A person can consume content and learn on the go, whether it is a new language, technical vocabulary, elements in the periodic table, or reviewing math formulas. Microlearning can be applied in many areas, all at the learner's own pace. Done in quiz form, this learning style can be addictive to some, as gamification has proven. According to Grovo, a microlearning platform, microlearning is 300% faster to develop, 50% less expensive to produce, and 58% more engaging for learners. There are obviously difficult concepts that microlearning is not right for. But with the benefits of shortened time commitments, narrow topic focus, and easily digestible knowledge nuggets, microlearning has a place in education and likely will become more acceptable in teaching scholarly content. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the playlist to see more videos about scholarly publishing. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.